What's your name again?
My name
Yes,
Aslan.
Aslan.
Yeah.
And Amel, starving, so we're going to find breakfast. This is my first day in Mosul. This time, but I was here last time.
Hi everybody.
Al said, hello,
Hi.
how are you?
I am fine. Are you terrorist?
Yes,
Yeah. Welcome.
thank
My-
you.
Welcome.
Thank you
And my
very
city.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Ah, this place. Oh, nice. What do we got here? Gamar, eggs, tea, food,
Cheese.
cheese, everything. Oh, okay. We're sorted here. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so starving. We're gonna find. They've got a lot here.
The place to be.
It's just a breakfast place. Thank you.
Scotland.
I'm from Scotland.
Scotland.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We're gonna sit here and have some food. I'm not feeling so good today. We got woken up at midnight. We got woken. I'm sharing it. I just met Amel here yesterday. You remember Amel from my other vlogs? So we're sharing a room, and we got woken up at midnight by someone knocking at the door, and it was a young man that we'd met in the hotel earlier, and he knocked on the door, and we told him to go away, and then he sent pictures, a box of nuts and biscuits that he had for us. We didn't know he was out there with a gift for us. Yeah.
We apologize.
We apologize to you. So my hotel is right down here. I'm staying in the old part of town, and literally just along the street. It looks like the best convenient breakfast place here. Right down by the hotel. Oh, I just went out to make video, and I have stuff already on the table. And my tea. Gamar. Yummy. I don't know what everything it is here. This is tahini.
Tahini, fig, date syrup,
Date syrup, nuts,
yogurt,
all this stuff.
cream cheese.
So it's breakfast. Breakfast has come. So here what I have. I just showed you everything actually, but now I have bread. This is so convenient. It's just down the street from the hotel. I love this Gamar. It's so good. It's like clotted cream with honey. It's delicious. They just brought all this to the table. We didn't ask for it, right? We didn't ask for anything. Yeah. It's just a typical breakfast, yeah. Maybe it'll bring another surprise. So I'm on my third cup of tea. This might be one of the quickest, best breakfasts I've had.
Yeah.
But I asked to take pictures, and it asked what age I was. It happens a lot here in Iraq, right? Guys, people just ask what age you are.
Yeah.
But he did say, are you 16? And then Amel said that maybe he thinks I'm her mother. Thank you, Amel.
Yeah, it's not the first time.
No,
They thought that before.
I'm everybody's mother.
Age doesn't count. It's the experiences you live.
Yes, true story.
You can live 80 years and have nothing to say. And
Yeah.
you have nothing to... You learn nothing. I mean, you learn.
So how's your travel experience in Iraq been?
Amazing. People have been very kind.
Because you don't meet many other, I haven't met many other solo female travelers that are completely solo,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Would you recommend it to others?
To experienced women,
Yeah, experience. It's definitely a country to come if you're experienced traveling.
I actually haven't felt unsafe, and also I like that men usually they keep their distances from me,
Yeah.
and they never leave me in a room with one man alone. I really appreciated this, the behavior of men in general. I mean, they can be like attracted or something like that, but they always have been respectful.
Because you stayed with local families,
Yeah.
people also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's coffee.
Ah,
Shukran.
thank you. And how long have you been traveling around Iraq now?
5 weeks.
Because we met on your first day.
Yeah, 5 weeks ago.
I met Amel in the Royal Garden Hotel in Baghdad on her first day.
Yeah.
I was the first person she met. And then we hit it off and then we traveled a bit.
Yeah. I was actually watching her videos just before coming to Baghdad to get a taste of what it was like to travel as a solo woman, because there are only her videos actually.
Yeah.
And then I saw her at the lobby. I was like, oh, Emma!
And we've been friends ever since.
Yeah.
So this is us just meeting up again in Mosul after our separation.
Yeah.
After Duania,
Yeah.
Afak,
Yeah, and then we met in Baghdad
and Kirkuk.
yeah, we went to Kirkuk together.
Yeah, but you haven't felt unsafe, like security situation wise?
No, never. Never. And even when they stop you at the checkpoint, sometimes it can feel scary. You're like, am I a fugitive, or
Yeah.
oh, are they going to bring me to jail? But actually they always say, oh, it's for your security.
Yeah,
don't
and they're so
worry.
kind. Sometimes they just they'll ask for pictures or a cup of tea. I've had that.
Ask me to sit.
Yeah.
They bring me water. So
Yeah.
yeah, no, I never felt unsafe, but it was different in Kurdistan.
Oh,
I mean, I didn't feel unsafe in Iraqi Kurdistan, but men were a bit more
they were a
straightforward.
problem. I always think Iraqi people, in general, they're nicer than people back home.
Yeah, definitely, because
They're-
it's
they're
more
not-
individualistic.
They're nicer to each other.
Yeah. I saw it a lot as well.
Yeah, they treat each other with
Solidarity.
more respect for each other. They help each other out more.
Yeah.
They're not just out for themselves. And I don't know if that's because of years of war that made them all sort of.
Yeah, and one thing I really loved is the culture of hospitality in Arabs.
Yeah.
In Iraq.
Yeah.
They know how to host people.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Keep it
Yeah. It's
for
on
the
a-
next generation.
It's on a different level than anywhere else.
Yeah.
Pakistan's close.
Oh, Pashtuns.
Pakistan, yeah, Pashtuns, of course. Pakistan's renowned for its hospitality, but I don't think many people have traveled in Iraq enough for Iraq hospitality to be known. But it's like Pakistan hospitality. Anyway, that's our breakfast chat.
Yeah. Deep conversation.
Deep conversations, unscripted.
Do you have like something you would tell solo women, like advise them before coming?
Actually, I don't think it's any different advice than I would give a solo woman to any other country.
Okay.
Unless you're going to the holy cities where you have to wear an abaya or anything. Other than that, I mean, I felt safer here than I do in South America.
Me, for example, as I have a Tunisian background, I kind of know a bit about the Arab culture. But if it was like a woman from Western countries, I mean, I would recommend to read some articles about.
Oh, absolutely. You have to do lots of research for sure, and you have to make contacts.
Yeah.
Contacts are the most important thing because you will need contacts to move around if you're traveling independently. But I haven't had any problems.
Yeah, me neither. I never felt unsafe.
We're on about our sixth piece of bread.
That's how we enjoy breakfast. Big and long.
Big and long.
It's not as easy. Not everything is clear, indicated, and asking for help will be the best advice I could give. Always asking local.
Yeah, some things, there's no tourist infrastructure here.
Yeah.
So there's no you have to rely on help of locals. You need to get around by shared taxis unless you're in a tour group, which is completely different. We're talking about independent travel, local contacts. You really have to make them, but they change the rules all the time for some place. And there are some areas that you can't go, but then you won't get through the checkpoints.
Yeah, and don't complain, because also sometimes we can complain the checkpoints, blah blah blah. We have to take into our mind that it's not the same story as some Western countries.
No, I see a country that's coming back to life after decades of war.
Yeah.
You see buildings coming up,
And people are so eager to live.
Everyone's so happy.
Yeah, I mean, they have daily problems, no? A lot. So many challenges.
Yeah.
But it's like they choose where they put their focus on.
Despite everything, they're happy
Yeah.
and welcoming, hospitable. I'm going to have another cup of tea. Okay, that was our little breakfast chit chat from Amel and I.
I hope you enjoyed.
They're laughing, these guys, because I'm on my fifth cup. Shukran. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh,
You are welcome.
thank you very much. They're so nice here. Just put some fresh walnuts here. The guy over there is shelling them.
مربى ماسكين
Tin, fig.
توت
Fig.
Getting a lesson on what everything is in Arabic here.
Asel, zeytin, tahini,
دبس
debes,
دبس جوز
joz, and fig.
مربتين
Mrabatin.
Marabatin,
لبن
Leben,
لبن
chai,
chai.
شاي
qahwa.
قهوة
Yeah.
Everybody.
صمون
Samun.
Ah, the bread.
The bread.
Kamun. Tamun.
Kamun.
Tamun. Samun.
Samun. Samun. Samun. That means bread. I've learned a lot of Arabic today after 3 months.
كيف حالك؟
That's the date syrup
Iran.
from Iran.
From Iran.
These are made in where?
Made in America.
Made in America? Walnuts made in America, apparently. I don't know if he's just seen that.
طحينية
Tahini?
لبن مربى عراقي
Oh, all Iraqi.
Iraqi.
Yes. Some more people have seen Braveheart. Yes, William Wallace.
ويليامز
Yes. William Wallace.
والله very good أبو عمار.
That happened yesterday in Tikrit. The militia guy.
عمي ما تزقش.
He let me see the church because he liked Braveheart. And William Wallace.
Thanks to Braveheart.
Thanks to Braveheart. Thank you to Mel Gibson for making William Wallace famous in Braveheart, because it means I was able to see a few places in Iraq. Thanks, Mel. So this place is it's just a breakfast place. It opens at 6 in the morning, and now it's 12:30, and they're doing the tables again for tomorrow morning. So it's time to pay.
11 finish.
11. Okay, from 11 o'clock it finishes here. So we're taking up their time. I think they're cleaning up the place. So the best breakfast I have had. Would you think?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
I
in
really
fact,
loved it. And the vibe is very nice.
Yeah,
Very good energy.
best breakfast in Mosul.
Yeah.
Well,
The place to eat.
yes. I haven't had a breakfast like this.
أبو عمار.
Very nice, very traditional, and very good. That lovely man there. So that was 6. This is the name of the place here. Right here. Absolutely amazing breakfast, and it was only for 2 of us. It was 6,000, and he didn't charge us for the tea and coffee because we're guests. He was so kind. So here we are.
Can we take one?
No.
Take as many as you want.
What are you watching?
Turkish music.
Ah, Turkish music. Oh, the cat house. You love the cats. My house. I sleep in there. You spoil your
European.
Azar. Yes, he spoils his cats. So here's the hotel. This is the hotel I'm staying in. It's very.
Good hotel.
It's a good hotel. Yes, it's very good hotel. I recommend this hotel. Very good hotel. Good price. Good location. Perfect location, actually. So Amel and I are sitting here.
You look like me, grandmother.
It's good if it makes you practice your English.
This guy is full of compliments. He's telling Amel she looks like she's 60, and he looks like his grandmother. Amel.
Yeah, I'm looking so big.
Amel looks like his grandmother, and I look like Saddam Hussein's wife.
Sajida.
Sajida.
How many grandchildren do you have?
10.
10,
Ah.
20.
He's full of compliments here.
Fish طعمهم سمك طيب.
Shall we go?
In the Mosul, fish so beautiful.
The fish?
Fish.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Delicious.
Yes, I've had the fish. I forgot to show you a room tour. So here's this is my room here. Before I mess it up too much. And this is the hotel, the Alsfer Hotel here in Old Mosul. And it couldn't be more convenient. Super cheap. And everything's within walking distance. You can walk to all the tea places, food places, everything's in walking distance. So I highly recommend coming here. If you're looking for a cheap place, definitely. I don't know if it's for all women. Some women might not like it because it's completely all men around here. But I'm fine with it. It doesn't bother me at all. But just a bargain. It's on the old side. I would definitely stay here again. Don't know what's up next, but this is the hotel. My hotel review. Oh, the bathroom. I didn't do that. There's not much to see, really. It's a basic cheap hotel bathroom. But the beds are comfortable. It's got heat. It's got air conditioning. It's even got a telly. Okay.